Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the seed of any Minecraft server. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So right now we are here in the server that we are hosting. Now, whether you are creating the server by yourself on your computer or you're hosting it yourself on something like Aternos, then all you have to do is simply from here you're going to go and click on the console section. Then in the console section, all you have to do is to OP the admin because only the admin can see the seed. So from here, all you have to do is to write OP and then your username. So in my case, laser_chad. And from here, as you can see, made server operator. And then from here, all you have to do is to go back on the game. And then from here, just simply /dash and then seed. And there you go. Now you have the seed of the server. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.